How to share Calm with family. To share Calm with family, first of all, you simply have to upgrade to the Calm Premium Family plan, as the Calm does not support native iOS Apple Family Sharing or the Google Play Family Library. The plan allows one admin and up to 5 members to have completely separate private premium access. So first things first, to get this subscription plan, launch the application itself, or what you can also do is simply go ahead and open any web browser of your choice, tap on that search bar, then search for Calm Family Subscription or Plan. Once you find the official site, go ahead and tap on this. Now log into your account and then go to your profile, tap the setting gear icon, select Manage Subscriptions and choose the Manage Members. From there, once the link is generated, tap the Invite Members and then send the invitation link via the mail or using any messaging applications. Once the invitation is accepted by your family member, their profile will instantly upgrade to Premium. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.